Hello, I'm John Amash, the CEO of Tekton. Some of you who've been following us know that we've been building up our U.S. manufacturing for several years now. Today, I want to tell you about a very exciting new product to come out of Tekton Manufacturing. We've developed an in-house tool roll. We call it MTR. You saw a version of it back in August of 2025 when we launched the prototype, which sold out very quickly. MTR is sewn in-house here in Grand Rapids, Michigan. It is 100% USA made, down to every component. Our sewers spend 1 to 2 hours per piece. It takes that long because it needs to withstand years of rugged use. We're going to be launching them in 4 varieties that are different sizes with 3 different colors for each variety. Because for now our capacity is limited and it takes so long to sew each one, we're only going to be able to make a few pieces of each type per day. So we'll make them available on the website, first come, first serve. When we run out, we'll be making more and we'll put them back up and they'll be available again. I really think MTR is going to set a new standard for mobile tool rolls. You won't find anything as versatile, well-designed, ruggedly made, or carefully engineered. And this is just one way in which we're working to expand our U.S. manufacturing at Tekton. We're very excited about those efforts. When we make things in-house, we're able to learn and improve in a way that we just can't do as quickly or effectively with outside suppliers. We're able to use our own equipment, our own people, our own processes, and choose our own materials so that we can make the best possible products. We very much appreciate our fan base that supports the time and investment it takes to make more and more products here in the United States. Thank you very much for supporting Tekton. We look forward to launching new products made here in the U.S. in the near future. In the meantime, I hope you enjoy MTR.